Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back to another science session of level 5. And our today's topic is solar system. Solar system is the collection of the sun, moon and 8 planets revolving around the sun. The 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Asteroids are small rocky bodies between Mars and Jupiter, which orbit the Sun, are also called minor planets. Today's study topic is electric circuit, and we are going to learn about how the electricity travels through the circuit. But for how long this energy keeps flowing? The energy flows as long as the circuit is connected or until the cell dies up. The circuit must be complete for the bulb to light up. But is this the only way for the circuit to be complete? If we interchange the wires connected to the two terminals of the bulb, then the circuit is still complete and bulb will glow. Now look at this circuit. Is it complete? No, it isn't. Not all the terminals of the system are occupied. Because this one terminal of the bulb is not connected to the circuit, or both positive or negative are connected to the one terminal of the bulb. The energy is flowing from the negative terminal of the cell directly to the positive terminal of the cell. Not only will the bulb not glow, but it will get worse. The battery might explode and may severely injured. You should never connect the negative and positive terminals directly. This heats up the wires quickly and also the battery drains fast.